Trusting others can be difficult, especially in new relationships. It takes time and action. Something can happen that can take it away just like that. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Be sure to hit subscribe and like while you're here.
I'll try it, but you know I hate beans. There's no beans in it, right? All right. Why?
Think about some things that people can do to build trust with you. You know, you see that block and you start to say, okay, maybe I'll let go a little bit more. And over time, your words match your actions. The trust eventually begins to build a strong foundation. So let's say you've done all this work to build up a really healthy and trusting relationship. There are some things that can detract from that. These detractors create little holes in your belief of that person. Are they going to do it again? Are they being honest with me? Should I continue to be vulnerable? Do I want this person in my life anymore? The thing about trust is that it's much easier to build than it is to rebuild because the action has occurred. We can worry about things that haven't happened, but once we know the potential and the possibility is there and that person has showed themselves to be untrustworthy, it can be hard to earn that trust back. And we don't always get the opportunity to do so. So my channel is all about life and also self-reflection. So when you think about this concept, I want you to not only think about it as the people that you are in relationship with, but I also want you to think about your own actions. What are some things that you could do to build trust? And what are some things that you may be doing to take it away? Self-sabotage is very common. And sometimes when we get afraid, we can create situations that erode the beauty of the relationship itself. Thank you for watching Stop, Look, and Listen with Samantha. I believe in you.